SpaceX has revolutionized space travel, making launches cheaper and more reliable. Led by Elon Musk, the company's Falcon 9 rocket is now the industry's workhorse, routinely sending satellites and astronauts to orbit. Its reusability has set a new standard, with each booster landing reinforcing SpaceX's dominance. But while the world is captivated by Starship's promise to take us to Mars, another SpaceX rocket quietly delivers on some of the toughest missions. Starship's development in Texas grabs headlines, but it often overshadows a different engineering marvel. This overlooked vehicle is a true heavyweight, capable of lifting massive payloads into deep space. Despite its achievements, it rarely gets the same attention as Falcon 9 or Starship. It operates in the background, a powerful tool often taken for granted. The Falcon Heavy sits between the celebrated present and the ambitious future. Its power and reliability are undeniable, yet it doesn't fit the simple narratives dominating space discussions. This unsung hero deserves a closer look. It's a testament to SpaceX's engineering prowess and a vital asset for the future of spaceflight. While Starship represents the future, Falcon Heavy is the bridge making that future possible. Let's step out of Starship's shadow and see what makes Falcon Heavy so important. The story of this rocket is one of quiet excellence. Falcon Heavy is a marvel of power and engineering. Its 27 Merlin engines generate over 5 million pounds of thrust, enough to lift a fully loaded airliner into orbit. The launch is a spectacle, but its missions are rare and specialized. Unlike Falcon 9's frequent flights, Falcon Heavy is reserved for the heaviest, most demanding payloads. Its lower launch rate keeps it out of the spotlight, and its quiet reliability rarely makes headlines. Starship's hype and Musk's own focus on the future often make Falcon Heavy seem like a temporary solution. But for now, it's the only SpaceX rocket capable of certain high-energy missions. Its achievements are significant, even if they're not always celebrated. Falcon Heavy is fully operational, human-rated, and has a perfect launch record. In any other era, it would be the centerpiece of a company's fleet. For SpaceX, it's just one part of a much bigger story. Yet it remains one of the unsung heroes of the new space age. Its quiet competence is its greatest strength. Falcon Heavy's design is brilliantly simple. 3 Falcon 9 boosters combined. The central core is reinforced, while the side boosters are standard Falcon 9s. This modular approach lets SpaceX create a super heavy-lift rocket without starting from scratch. The result: huge savings in time and cost. Like Falcon 9, Falcon Heavy's boosters are reusable. The synchronized landing of the side boosters is a breathtaking display of precision. The center core pushes the payload further, sometimes landing on a drone ship at sea. This reusability slashes launch costs. Its first flight in 2018 was a high-stakes demo, successfully sending Musk's Tesla Roadster toward Mars. Since then, Falcon Heavy has launched critical national security and commercial satellites. It's trusted for high-value, high-energy missions. With the ability to lift over 63 tons to low Earth orbit, it's one of the most capable rockets flying. For deep space or heavy military payloads, Falcon Heavy is often the only option. Its blend of power, reusability, and proven tech makes it a global launch leader. In the super heavy lift class, Falcon Heavy's main rivals are NASA's SLS and Blue Origin's New Glenn. SLS is government-funded, expendable, and the most powerful rocket flying, but it's plagued by delays and costs over $2 billion per launch. New Glenn, designed to be even more powerful and partially reusable, has yet to fly and remains unproven. This is where Falcon Heavy shines. Its launch price, around $150 million, is a fraction of SLS's cost, thanks to reusability. SpaceX can offer heavy lift launches at a price that makes ambitious missions possible. Falcon Heavy's reliability is unmatched, a perfect launch record, built on Falcon 9's hundreds of flights. SLS, by contrast, has flown only once and is too expensive for frequent use. New Glenn's capabilities are still theoretical. Falcon Heavy is proven, available, and cost-effective. It's the only operational super heavy lift rocket that combines power, price, and reliability. For now, it's the go-to choice for high-stakes missions. Its success is reshaping the economics of space. In a field of giants, Falcon Heavy stands out for what it actually delivers. It's the practical solution in a world of promises. Falcon Heavy's history is one of success. Its 2018 debut was a defining moment. Side boosters landed in perfect sync, and the rocket proved its design. The Tesla Roadster payload was a marketing masterstroke, capturing imaginations worldwide. But beyond spectacle, it was a serious technical achievement. The rocket delivered its payload into deep space. Since then, Falcon Heavy has built a flawless launch record. It's been chosen for the most demanding missions like launching Arabsat 6A and the complex STP-2 mission for the US Air Force. STP-2 tested the rocket with multiple burns and orbits. Falcon Heavy passed with flying colors, even recovering all 3 boosters. More recently, it's become the launcher of choice for US national security and NASA science missions. It's launched classified satellites and major science probes like Psyche and Europa Clipper. These missions require direct injection into high-energy orbits, a task Falcon Heavy handles with ease. NASA and the Department of Defense's trust is a powerful endorsement. Each mission cements Falcon Heavy's reputation for reliability. It's not just a showpiece, it's a workhorse for the toughest jobs in space. Its flawless record speaks for itself. NASA's Artemis program aims to return astronauts to the moon, with SLS as its centerpiece. But SLS is expensive, slow to build, and entirely expendable, limiting launch frequency and flexibility. This bottleneck slows the entire lunar campaign. Here's where Falcon Heavy offers an alternative. While not as powerful as SLS in a single launch, its lower cost and higher flight rate open new strategies. NASA could launch multiple components on Falcon Heavy and assemble them in orbit, a method called orbital assembly. NASA has already chosen Falcon Heavy to launch the first 2 modules of the Lunar Gateway. This move shows Falcon Heavy's capability for deep space missions. Commercial rockets are proving they can play a bigger role in lunar exploration. As of late 2025, Falcon Heavy is the only operational, cost-effective super heavy-lift rocket. SLS is powerful but too expensive and slow. New Glenn is still unproven. Falcon Heavy is delivering results now. It's the pragmatic choice for national security, commercial, and NASA science missions. Its ability to launch heavy payloads to high-energy orbits is unmatched. NASA's selection of Falcon Heavy for missions like Psyche and Europa Clipper shows growing trust. For lunar ambitions, Falcon Heavy could pre-deploy habitats, rovers, and supplies, accelerating the pace and resilience of moon missions. Its higher flight rate and lower cost make a robust lunar architecture possible. In the shadow of Falcon 9 and Starship, Falcon Heavy is the essential bridge. It's a symbol of smart engineering and quiet reliability. For those aiming high in space, Falcon Heavy is the proven, available choice. It's the unsung hero making the future of exploration possible. The story of Falcon Heavy is just beginning.